Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Tech with me, Nirmal. Without further ado, let's get it started. Now the first news of the day we get from Google. Google is rolling out an update for Clips. Now Clips is a hands-free camera which automatically records short video segments based on sense of judgment, or to summarize, based on artificial intelligence. When the camera was initially reviewed during launch, numerous critics complained of how unpredictable the device has been. Now the device captured few moments while ignoring the ones specifically wherein people as well as animals were involved. But with the latest updates, the device comes with high capture rate, which can capture many more hugs, jumps, smiles, dances and more. Now the companion app now has familiar face management screen, gives its users more control over who the camera finds to be important. The new update lets Clips app automatically save the best frame from each clip in full resolution. Now moving on, the second news of the day we get from eBay. Now eBay is a global e-commerce platform making selling easy. The platform has been popular for sales of cell phones. Now with every cell phone, the customer can check out with a cellular plan. Now eBay has partnered with Red Pocket Mobile to offer low price wireless plans to all eBay customers who purchase a cell phone. Now the most basic plan costs about $5, wherein you get 100 minutes of talk time, 100 text messages and 500 MB of LTE data. But the most popular plan is just $30 a month, wherein users get about 5 gigabytes of LTE data at preferred speed and unlimited data at throttle speed with unlimited text and unlimited talk time. Now David Grimm, a category manager at eBay, during the release said because Red Pocket works on all of America's major networks, their service can apply to virtually all of millions of phones sold on eBay. Now the third news for the day we get from Apple. Now Apple has been hit with patent infringement suit over iMessage and FaceTime encryption technology. Now the lawsuit alleges features such as iMessage and FaceTime infringe on patents of Finnish company MPH Technologies. As detailed in the suit, MPH Technologies apparently tried to license the patents to Apple in 2016 and 2017, but could not succeed. Apple Insider first reported on this lawsuit, which was filed in US District Court for the Northern District of California. According to MPH Technologies, Apple infringes upon 8 of its patents for secure messaging functionality. MPH specifically mentions that iMessage, FaceTime and Apple's VPN technologies used for MDM solutions among enterprise and educational customers all infringe upon the 8 patents. There's been a lot of back and forth talks between MPH Technologies and Apple. Failing it, MPH decided to take Apple to court, wherein they will be seeking undisclosed compensation for the patent infringements, as well as an injunction against the further use of technologies using the questions in patent. The next news of the day we get from Snapchat. As a global photo sharing app, Instagram starts challenging Amazon. Snapchat has been getting deeper into the retail game by making it easier to buy and sell stuff in its app. Now the app is introducing a new type of ad that will make it easier to buy products inside of its app. The new ads, called collections, allow brands to link their products without the need for users to swipe up upon the ad. Now collections appear in the app between user stories as well as in the app's discovery section. The new format, along with other advertising tools Snap just unveiled, will make it easier for businesses to entice consumers to go from viewing photos to actually buying them. Snap added the new feature that allows people to shop for items on Amazon by pointing at Snapchat's camera at the object around them, though the understanding between the two companies has not been made clear. If Snapchat can successfully cast itself as the preferred communications platform and an actual shopping destination, that could boost its standing in the eyes of investors and bring in more ad revenue. In other awesome news, we get the season 6 for Fortnite. The pass comes with its own Halloween horror. With time, the theme would develop, but for now, the gameplay is amazing. Moving on, we get another episode of The Dark Side of Jake Paul by Shane Dawson. We get a new trailer for the movie Dark Phoenix. We get a new trailer for The House of Cards from Netflix. And the last for the best, we get a lineup of Hot Sauce Season 7 with Sean Evans. Anything at all, links are always in the description down below. Now moving on with the last news. Elon Musk is being sued by the SEC, or at least his tweets are being sued by the SEC. Now the US Securities and Exchange Commission alleges that Elon Musk made false and misleading statements as the head of a publicly traded company in a series of August tweets about taking Tesla private. In his tweets he said, "I'm considering taking Tesla private at $4.20. The CEO wrote on 7th of August around 1 p.m. Funding secured. After this tweet, the company's stock shot by 6% to the close of the day, with a lot of questions and market confusion whether Musk was serious or just making a weird joke on Twitter. He was confident that the funding he referred to would materialize at the price after prior discussion with Saudi Arabia's public investment fund. Tesla's executives, including the Tesla head of investor relations, were not informed about Musk's plan to take the company private or make a statement to that effect. Now, Tesla is not specifically named in the SEC lawsuit, though sources close to Tesla told numerous news outlets that the company might be expected to be sued. Hypothetically speaking, if Musk is found guilty of the fraud charges, the SEC would want to bar him from serving on any publicly traded company as an officer or a director. Now, this is all for today. Now, I want to pass on the question to you. What do you guys think about the topics we covered today? I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. If you do like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up right below. If you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe right up there. You'll be updated with all the latest tech news. If you do like this video, you'll like the previous one, which is right up there. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, see you guys soon.